So we're on a different sort of job today. It's a takedown and repair job. The client on this job had a home buyer's report, so that's a report you get here in England when you get a mortgage on a property, and basically it lists everything wrong with the property. And one of the things what popped up was that the top 10 courses of this particular house was leaning over about 80 millimeters. So we've got quite a big lean on this, and after taking down the 9 courses, the reason that's happened is that there were just no ties in the entire wall. So we've taken it down to the closest tie, and then all we're going to do, we're going to rebuild it back up, and we are absolutely going to pepper this wall with loads of ties. We've kept all of the original beautiful bricks, so not only are we going to rebuild it with lovely old bricks, but this job is actually going to be raked out and repointed. So once we're done building today, we're just going to chariot everything. Someone's coming along to repoint it in lime mortar. So we're going to get stuck in, start throwing in ties everywhere to anchor this building into position, and yeah, just get stuck in. Remember, you need to keep those perps tight, mate. Yeah? Okay, cool. Isn't it nice laying some bricks that aren't knackered? Saying these bricks are what? Close to 100, well not 100 years old, 80 years old. I think it was built in 1930, this house. Almost 100. A lot better condition to the other bricks we're laying. I'm just buzzing that the sun's out. First time I've seen the sun for about 3 weeks. That's sweet, sweet vitamin D. Right, so I'm just about to nip off to Screwfix to go grab a load more ties, because I'm putting in about 15 ties every 3 courses, so we are, like I say, we're throwing loads of ties into this wall. While I've got you, let me just tell you about the gloves, what I've been wearing for like the last 3 to 4 months. I'm actually using the Ansell High Flex waterproof ones. These have been really nice for winter time because obviously just keeping my hands nice and dry. Jake's been using these, which are abrasion resistant, but they are super thin, so really handy. And then Kyle was using the impact resistant ones when he was taking down the wall. So many gloves over at Ansell. Go check them out. Like I said in the last video, they've given us a 20% discount code. I'll leave it in the description, so go check them out, and I'm going to go find a load of ties to start throwing in this wall again.
Cycle's complete. Work, sleep, repeat. Yeah, work, sleep, that's all I ever do anymore. Somewhere up the line, I forgot what I was working for. Yeah, there goes life, looks like it ain't slowing down for me. Seems like yesterday I was 17, running bootlegs and draws and screens. Now I'm running up dead and I'm scrambling.
Mate, they are so nice to lay.
So nice when you need them.
So work, sleep, repeat.
So it's, like I said, it's interesting, like the quality of these bricks compared to what we use, you know, as in nowadays or just in general. That's a 1/2 and a 3/4. Silly.
In the bed you sound so musical. In the club you scream. God, like gaze, you're so beautiful. But you're not for me. I can't sleep lately. I'm just trying to find peace. I just wanna be free. I'm sorry, darling, I can't breathe.
Oh, in the green zone. Yeah. There she goes. What bearing you got? I've got like 150 on bearing here. Don't worry about all the rest.
Slightly more than this.
Okay, let's go tape. Let's measure it. Do our thing. What you got? 125. 125. Yeah, 175 almost. Slide it over to you. Nice. 50. 50. Beautiful.
Boys are here coming from a mile away. Not as sleek as you think. DMs early in the AMs. I'm not Becky from the street. All this time, baby, our love was so deep. You can't sleep lately, but what about me? I'm sorry, darling, I can't breathe. There's no room for us. There's no room for us. I said, darling, can you see? There's no room for us. There's no room. Now our lives are changing. Promises keep slipping. And I always knew it wasn't you. It wasn't you. Now our lives are changing. Promises keep slipping. And I
good.
Aye. Right, there we go. That's pretty much where we're leaving it for today. We built it back up, 10 courses altogether, and a lot of tyre wires. The entire wall, man, it's got a handful of ties in, and it's barely got any ties in whatsoever. It's quite scary. We've put in probably close to 35 ties in 10 course of brickwork, maybe close to 40. The entire wall below me probably has about 10. So the structural engineers report, and that big report I spoke about earlier, they have stated that we go through with some helix bar through the bricks and anchor the internal skin to the external skin using helix bar and resin. So that's something we're going to have to do next week, but for now that's where we are. We're leaving it, so all raked out. We're going to cover it up with some hessian so no one can see, and we'll catch you next time.